Ikaw lang mahal, laman ng tula, tunog ng gitara at himig ng kanta. Kumupos man ang tinig ay hindi mawawala, hiwaga mong dala.
Tuwang-tuwa ka sa mga simpleng kalokohan ko at alam mo, masaya ako sa tuwing napapasaya kita. Jazz, I feel incredibly blessed to have you in my life. We've been through everything. Magkasama nating hinarap yung mga araw na meron tayo at ang mga panahong wala tayo.
Gusto ng Diyos, i-enjoy nyo ang married life nyo, i-enjoy nyo ang inyong pamilya, i-enjoy nyo yung inyong mga anak. Kahit may trials, kahit may mga pagsubok, pag nakatingin kayo sa Panginoong Yesus, lahat ng trials at pagsubok na yan ay hindi magtatagumpay sa inyong mga buhay because you are looking at the perfect God.
Mahal, happy 8th year anniversary. 8 taon na tawa, luha, away, lambing, at higit sa lahat, pagmamahalan. Hindi man perfecto, pero bawat taon na lumilipas, mas pinapatunayan mong ikaw pa rin at ikaw lang at pipiliin ko. I thank God sa buhay mo sa maraming bagay, alam mo yun.
Naranasan ng umibig sa anghel sa lupa. Ikaw lang mahal, laman ng tula, tunog ng gitara at himig ng kanta. Kumupas man ang tinig ay di mawawala, hiwaga mong dala.
I would like to thank God that He made a wonderful woman and gave it to me. You have always been there to support me. They say, you know a woman's loyalty when a man has nothing. At pinatunayan mo ito. When I had almost nothing, when I felt like I was sinking.
I've seen your genuine love and sincerity throughout our getting to know stage. That's why, sa mini-stop sa Bukana, July 7, 2017, sinulat ko sa resibo ang matamis kong oo. I knew you were the one since then.
Ikaw lang mahal, laman ng tula, tunog ng gitara at himig ng kanta.
I want you to know, I am always here for you. You never left me in my 0 days, in my every struggles, and you supported me through every side hustles. Now that I am finding my footing again, and as the blessing starts to grow, at pag dumating ang araw na mahawakan ko ng first million ko, I promise that it will still be you by my side, always.
Ikaw lang mahal, laman ng tula, tunog ng gitara at himig ng kanta. Kumupas man ang tinig ay di mawawala, hiwaga mong dala.
I am so blessed to have you because you are a responsible, reliable, accountable person at tuwing kasama kita, alam kong safe ako at kaya mo akong ipagtanggol.
Na tuwing nababanggit ka, ang puso'y nagwawala.
I will choose us because loving you is no longer just a feeling. It is my decision, my calling, and now my forever promise. I may not be the perfect, but every day I'll strive to be the man you prayed for. Yes, Steph.
Huwag ka nang bibitaw, kahit saglit, ikaw na ang mahal, maghintay ng matagal, ikaw na ang aking pinagdasal. Sabihin mo naman ang gagawin, wala namang ibang ilingin, wala namang
still want to be sitting beside you, holding your hand, looking back at this moment, proud that we keep every promise. I love you.